Hanna Lindén working at RISE, and I will present a little bit on the ongoing work that we've been doing in VP4, and it's been me and colleagues from RISE together with also Chalmers Industriteknik as a joint collaboration as VP3 and VP4, as we talk here, are very closely linked. So VP4 is about policy for sustainable business and society, and we've been doing work here. I also forgot to mention that we had X Foundation part of that work as well. And just to remind ourselves what this VP is focusing on. So we're focusing both on the business intelligence related to this area, the policy development related to ESPR, DPPs, and different delegated acts. But also on having dialogue with industry and sector organizations together with authorities. So what we did there was a roundtable that we had this Tuesday in Stockholm. It was focused then on traceability related to the eco-design for sustainable product regulation, and we focused on furniture. And one of the reasons for that is that furniture will be one of the upcoming pre-studies to be a delegated act within the ESPR. So we saw that that was interesting. There's been a lot of previous projects within the furniture industry related to circularity and to this kind of questions related to traceability. So we saw that there was a good connection there to do this type of roundtable. And what the aim was for that roundtable that we had then with some of the industry actors and some of the authorities that are included in this area. We saw that the aim of this was basically to have this dialogue together, focusing then specifically on where is the sector within furniture related to traceability. We wanted to highlight and make visible the market situation for the furniture industry as a way for also authorities to understand this and to be able to provide well-founded guidance related to ESPR. But we also wanted it to be a meeting place and to establish contacts for further dialogue within this area, as it will be this delegated act in the near future. We don't know yet exactly when it will be starting, but we will see that it should start at the latest early in 2026 from what we know at this moment. So what we wanted to do then here was to invite participants to this type of dialogue. So we had participants from, and this will be in Swedish, Naturvårdsverket, Kemikalieinspektionen, Upphandlingsmyndigheten och Tillväxtverket. So representatives from these authorities in relation then to some invited industry voices, let's say, from TMF, Trä- och möbelföretagen, Robin Ljunga, and you heard him on the last open Svepas meeting, and it's also recorded if anyone wants to listen to that afterwards. We had the participants from Kinnarps, Lundbergs Möbler, and Ludvig Svensson. We also had RP invited, but had to jump out from that. Also a Möbelfakta, which is a certification within the furniture industry. And of course, those of us involved in VP4 RISE, Chalmers Industriteknik, and X Foundation. So we had this meeting, and it was a physical meeting with a quite small group of participants in order to have a very open discussion. We had presentations from TMF on the market situation of furniture, and we had presentation from Naturvårdsverket on their view on the ESPR and DPP. And it was much appreciated, as we saw, to have this kind of quite small physical meeting where we really could dig into some questions that are existing within this area. Just to provide a few, and sorry for this was actually in Swedish, I see, but some few voices from this. that it was seen as a way to have an important dialogue on where the sector is and what kind of challenges there are in the sector. It was also seen as important for the sector to be able to provide insights on where the challenges and opportunities are. And it was seen as appreciated to have this type of open dialogue between authorities and industry. And the actors also saw the relevance of starting to prepare for DPPs to be able to strengthen their organization in order for these new demands that will happen in the future with the delegated act for furniture. So there will be a little bit of external communication from this event as well, probably during next week. So we will post that on LinkedIn further to provide some more insights on this activity. So that was short on what we've been doing, but we've been planning this for quite some time, and we appreciate that it was quite a good turnout, and the participants saw it as very valuable discussion. So we're very happy about that. And yeah, so that's some of the work we've been doing in VP4 in relation to having dialogue with industry and authorities. With that, I just want to say thank you, and please let me know if you want some further discussions on this topic.